guy made yet another purchase for the system. Dude, first of all, the system is expensive. The entire setup is expensive. And he went ahead and purchased this.
So the setup was this desk. The table is sturdy, it's strong, but it is kind of limiting me when I'm using my simulator. I wanted a proper rig. So that is where that new purchase has come in. On the computer world, which is good quality, I don't know why it is freakingly heavy. That CPU, that is close to 30 odd kilos. That monitor itself is on 10 odd kilos. I don't know why. Let's see. To be honest, Srujan has absolutely no idea what is inside this.
I've never ridden a sim car except Nizam Japalante Prasad's, IMAX Prasad's, where you pay like 150 rupees and that's what I experienced.
Okay.
But
I'm sure Srujan still doesn't know what.
I know what is Moza.
Yeah, Moza is a very famous brand. You don't know what R5 is. You don't know what is a direct drive racing simulator, right? So this is not the high-end model. This is the entry of the high-end model.
Chal lera manaki intiki.
Ooh. So this is heavy. Nice. Okay. This is genuinely Srujan has no idea what I purchased. Wow.
Nice, feels nice.
Wow. No.
Hold this and give. Hold this and give.
Okay, give me this. This is genuinely Srujan's first reaction of holding this.
Metal! Nice, dude.
This is the motor for your steering wheel.
Motor, receiver, everything.
Huh?
Yes, system gets connected to that, right?
Yeah. So
hub.
Yeah, this is your hub. Okay. I'm taking this. Srujan, hold.
This must be 4-5 kgs?
More than that. Way more than that.
Pedals.
Yes.
Accelerator and brake.
Yeah.
A and B.
The installation of this is like freaking easy. Put this line. That's it.
Remove it.
This feels like some Formula 1 car only, no?
Malle Muchindra. What did we get?
Yeah, this is part of the rig which we are going to put our computer on.
Sochi? ఏంట్రా ఇదంతా
మన పిచ్చి
నీ పిచ్చిరా extreme struggle for 2 days. This is what we have achieved, and we made this room a big mess. Sir, the last piece of equipment.
and it's naturally amazing. Calibration of this, it says 0 degrees. When I turn, it also tells me how much I have turned, and depending upon the game which we launch, it locks itself in a particular position.
So right now we've put the maximum turn from one end to the other end to 540 degrees. So that's 270 degrees on each side.
And also, if you can see this part, that's throttle, that's max out throttle and max out brake. For me, the brake is little too tight.
Let's start the game. This is my angle. This is what I see from my eyes when I'm actually playing the game. So if I actually want to look at the rear view mirror, I need to turn left and turn right to see at other things about the vehicle parameters. that's how wide the screen is. Like it wraps around you completely.
Which car do you want to go?
Red.
Red car. Is Ferrari okay?
Yes.
This car?
Yes.
Yeah, red car.
I like red car. I like red car.
That's
I like red.
That's a Ferrari.
Yeah.
So what is it?
Ferrari.
Yeah, Ferrari. See, Ferrari. This little fellow is like a little chota sa Michael Schumacher. He's crazy in handling the turns. He can't reach the pedals, but he. Arre. Sweataya. Okay. But he can manage the steering wheel absolutely crazy. Well, that's a turn. That's a very steep turn. Turn. Yay!
I'm good boy.
You're a good boy. He's using his entire strength to turn that steering wheel.
Okay,
It's hard.
the reason why is because the steering is hard. It's actually force feedback and it can produce a power of 5 Newton meters. 5 doesn't sound much, but for somebody that small, it is a lot for sure. It's kind of ready. We finally fixed it. And for the people who wanted to know what screen this is a 49-inch
Odyssey G9.
Yeah, Odyssey G9. It's a 1000 radius screen. So basically it says that 4 of these screens would make a circle. But yeah, it's a very defined curve as you can see from this angle here. And this little fellow is busy managing his game.
We play that official F1 racing with this setup.
Yes. F1 22, 23.
I think that would be a better game for us.
For
At
you?
least for me. Both of us are doing 1 lap quali each. I'm not the greatest in this game. I'm sorry, yaar. On camera hi hona chahiye re.
So Sujan did a 157.632. My turn. So let's swap the seats. Let's see who's faster.
You're faster.
154.7.
3 seconds faster. I told you I won.
How did you win?
I told you should be at least 4 seconds faster. But you're only 3 seconds faster.
Now I've actually turned off the steering wheel, I've turned off the game. This is free flowing. It doesn't have that hard edge at 270 degrees what we have. It is forever a rotating screen or rotating steering wheel. And yes, talking about this setup, we've purchased it from a website called Virtual Racing Hub. Again, it's not sponsored by them or anything. This is just out of my interest that I have purchased the entire thing and got into this. I purchased this actually for doing my flight simulator stuff. And that will be done from this seat. I'll have my flight yoke here and I have an extra plate which I'll be placing just to the side of this so I can have my throttle quadrant as well. So this would definitely be my flying setup as well. It's going to be a multi-purpose rig. All I purchased extra was this steering wheel.
So I have one question. So this is going with our system.
Yes.
Will it support console gaming, for example, PS5 or Xbox?
So again, there are other companies which have console gaming compatibility, but Monza R5 directly doesn't support PS5 or Xbox. But there is a hack to it. You have to buy an adapter. With that, you can connect it to your PlayStation or Xbox and work with it. This company is called Monza. There are other SimMagic and Fnatic. There are quite a lot of big companies. Again, this is a direct drive steering wheel. People must be asking of Logitech and all. They don't have direct drive. They have a belt drive, which is not as they cannot produce the kind of forces this does. And in the direct drive, this is basically a base version what I have. This is a 5 Newton meter. The top end goes as high as about 25 Newton meters of jolt, wherein like 25 Newton meters is such that, like, let's say if you crash in the game, it would actually snap your hand, literally snap your wrist. Game again, it's called Esorto Corsa Competizione. It's a very relatively inexpensive game. It's only about 900 rupees the game. But all this equipment which makes that game run the way we want it to, the way I am doing it, is expensive. This rig is expensive. You can check the website. This experience makes it amazing for me.
Meanwhile, while setting this monitor on the rig, we
Accidentally dropped it.
here there's a dent and इनको कोना के लाल there's a dent right here.
So
We were so scared when it fell. We thought the monitor is gone.
luckily.
Go back and forward,
Yeah.
and also incline the rear seat.
So I can pretty much go sleep.
Screen ఎక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటా తలపైన పెట్టుకుంటావా? స్పేస్ షటిల్ రా చంద్రయాన్ 5 ఆరా నువ్వు? Sorry.
Maybe if somebody is very big in size, I think this might become a little tight for them because this is like that bucket seat of a car. But for the average built adult, I don't see any problem for anybody.
So right now we are using it as 2 pedals, so accelerator and brake.
Yeah.
If we want a clutch and
You
manual
can add this
shifter,
You can add a clutch. You can add a shifter.
we can add a shifter to this.
Yes. You can add anything as long as your money permits you. That's the only limitation. So if you people were wondering what are we guys up to, I am busy doing this when I'm not flying. I see Srujan once in like 4 days nowadays. So that's how busy the city has become. But any which ways, this is our new gaming setup, my gaming room, and I am in love with it. Srujan, he doesn't understand it because he doesn't do it.
So the thing is, I am not much into racing games. I like more FP first person shooting. So उसके लिए तो rig will be much expensive. उतना ज़रूरत नहीं है. I use key.
कौन सा rig चाहिए तेरे को?
नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
उसमें के लिए कोई rig नहीं है.
है. But I'll use keyboard mouse. Otherwise, I have a PS5 down. वो खेलूँगा. But that's enough for us with the entire rig setup. चलो. It's been really long. We shot a video. So finally, we are again shooting. We will try to make more time and get out more, pump out new videos at the earliest. And as we speak, the Triumph 400.
Yeah, that is launched. And also the
Harley
Harley
Davidson.
Davidson.
So in the next few videos, we will try to get a test drive and give you our opinion on those bikes. Till then,
My phone's ringing. Bye bye. Love you guys.
Ooh, what is there? What is inside?
Hello, doctor.
Heli?
Doctor.
Heli doctor.
Yes.
You want your heli doctor? Dada, why did you take his heli doctor?
Yes.
You
Why?
want a helicopter or helicopter?
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Okay, I'll give you your helicopter.
Even an airplane.
And for those who didn't know,
Oh.
this thing of the CPU opens and you can actually see.
This is good.
Hi.
Take your heli doctor.
Take your heli doctor.
Even an